Hey guys, so we're going on a slight adventure, and this was not exactly planned. I mean, this trip was planned, but it wasn't planned in the grand scheme of things, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I can't wait for you to see. Do you see what's in there? What's in there? Don't touch. Be very careful. Careful. What is it? What is it? What is that? What is that? Is that a chicken? Are those chickens? What do the chickens say? What do the chickens say, baby? What do they say? Get your nose. Do they say bok bok? Yeah, they're cute. Okay. 10 little bitty buff organgatuans. You want me to hold him? Stop. Careful, don't do that. Don't do that. Some of them are eating, some of them are sleeping. Some of them are drinking. Got 10. They're buff Orpingtons. Hopefully 3 or 4 of them are hens. Be very happy if more of them are hens, but I'm just hoping for at least 3 or 4. No, what? You want me to hold one? Alright, hold on, hold on. I'll pick one. Yeah. So excited. You want to pet it? No, you can't hold him. No, you can't hold him. Put him back down. This kind of makes me feel like an actual real homesteader. No, you're not holding the chickens. You can look at the chickens with your eyes. Let's let go of that, okay? You want me to hold one in my hand? Alright, alright.